It all has to do with the stereotype the W would like to see.
And in the early Clark era, Nike stock has tanked over the span, and the CEO just got ousted. By the way, Clark got famous around 22. If you want to buy her shoe, you could be waiting until 2026 to 2027. Goes on to point out, like, Caitlin Clark's in her first NBA playoffs, first NBA season. She's wearing Kobe Bryant shoes.
Okay na yan.
And it may not be till 2026, 2027.
Hindi ka naglalagay ng ano, brown sugar, parang gano'n. Konti.
So, 20
Parang
years
maganda may
ago,
konting asukal.
Nike was number one
Naglagay ka na ba?
and had enough vision to see that, hey, let's get LeBron shoe
May
out
dilis
there.
din niya, wala na. Baboy lang. May dilis pa yan.
For some reason.
And this isn't even the worst part. Here comes the kicker, and it shows us exactly why Caitlin Clark is being ignored by Nike.
So he walks through, like, there was a Nike ad for Iowa Caitlin. Though it wasn't
Kaya pala tuyo yung gata mo eh.
There has
Kasi
been
tuyo yung dahon eh.
Nike
Binibili mo ng tuyo
commercial
siya.
for Clark as a
Okay ka
pro.
na no, kaya kilala ka no.
Let that sink in. No Caitlin Clark commercial. She's had 4 years of being the biggest star in all of sports.
Mamaya,
Five
luto na.
television rating. No Nike commercial. That was me. Now back to Eva Trout. Now Clark's Fever are in the WNBA playoffs, and she's wearing Kobe sneakers instead of the Blue Signature brand. In summary, Nike lumped into the marketing chance of the generation, and they're using that to advertise old product. Why is it happening this way? Now here's the money. Based on conversations with people.
Kulong-kulo na siya.
This is very bad.
Ano pag ano yan, magmamantika na yan. Kaya sa amin masabaw yun. Oh. Mura yung gabi na luto, masabaw.
Eh kasi hindi tuyo. Kaya ako, halo ko yung
Alam, puro dahon lang nga tayo, wala halong katawan. Hindi halong katawan din ba yun?
may katawan yan sa akin. Yung katawan ko, puro, yung kaya doon ko muna pinakukulo sa pangalawang gata. Pag lumambot na siya,
Ibig sabihin may katawan to yung ano.
di ba yung 2 kilo?
Mura? Mura o yung tuyo na rin?
Hindi, mura.
Mura.
Yung gawa ko nun.
Tinipiga mo muna.
Iniiga ko muna siya. Pag malambot ka, gulin na. Pagka malambot
Just
ka,
what's stopping you from giving?
Iba-tiba yung mga barangay. Bata doon. Shoutout natin mga taga-barangay Paltok. Watch nyo ang aming TV sa YouTube channel. JK Pima TV. Malapit na magtanghali. Kainan na. All purposes ang ating vlog. Kaya kahit ano, pwede nating ilagay. Pero lang ang SPG, bawal yun. Magandang caption te kung naumpisahan sana. Balik, common na lang yung pag-ano eh. Common na lang yung paglalagay ng bao sa asili. Nguya, pagigisa. Yan, malapit na maluto yan. Mamaya, magmamantika na yan, no? Sarap niyan. Daing. Kita nyo, kulong-kulo siya, oh. Kulo na.
Or Tony Yang or Antonio Maestrado din. Mr. Yang, kailan po kayo dumating sa Pilipinas?
Magandang gamit talaga pag nagmamantika sa gata. Isang kutsara lang, masarap-sarap. Ay. Ilang person yung kakain nito, Kuya Boy?
谢谢。
50.
50 person.
你要认真的努力。
Dami.
好，谢谢。Yes, Miss Caroline, anong sagot niya? Ilan ang foreign nationals that dyan sa Pacific? Pilipinan, saan dyan?
请问在
Ang mga gusto pong mag-comment tungkol sa laing o ginataang gabi, comment lang po kayo sa comment
Caitlin has an
section.
amazing generational
At
talent, and she's
lagay
going
niyo po
to do
yung
amazing things.
ang pangalan nyo sa lugar para sa susunod na pag-vlog natin ng pagkain ay may shoutout ko po kayo. Sige po. Pwede rin po kayong bumisita sa Facebook
They see greatness in you.
page ko na Joey Villanueva. May profile po ano na GK Pima TV. Saka dyan sa channel natin, Puyat TV. May page po tayo na Puyat TV.
Backing Dijonai, calling her a